name is Lavi, the founder of ADV. I play tennis, and I'm from Washington, D.C.
Hi, my name is Will, better known as Pickleball Will. I play pickleball. I'm based in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and originally from Washington, D.C.
As a tennis lover, I was tired of heavily branded tennis bags with little functionality.
As a pickleball content creator, I was sick of using cheap pickleball bags with no thought put into it.
Earlier this year, I embarked on the mission to create the ultimate tennis bags. We launched a Kickstarter campaign to bring this vision to life, and I just couldn't believe it. We hit our funding goal on the very first day in 2 minutes. I actually started getting all these athletes asking me about my bag, mainly pickleball players. Can I use this for pickleball? Will this fit my pickleball paddle?
I actually backed this Kickstarter. I got the bag and it was awesome, but wasn't perfect for pickleball at least. And I started to get people asking me about what is a good bag.
With all these people asking me about my bag, I knew I needed
to find a better bag.
Will and I immediately hit it off. And with his help, this is what we came up with.
The Pickleball Pro bag is built with premium materials that are durable and weatherproof. Made with 400D coated Cordura nylon and sporting heavy-duty YKK zippers, it's designed to be as versatile and rugged as the people who use it. Featuring a multi-purpose shoe compartment and a clamshell design for easy visibility and access to all your gear. If you're in a rush, we've got you covered with fast access to your paddle and a ball gutter to swiftly get you onto the courts and ready to play. There's a dedicated pocket for daily essentials as well as a secret secure pocket for valuables. So whether you're playing, meeting up, or traveling for work, the ADV Pro Pickleball bag has got you covered and can lug it all. Your laptop, toiletries, paddles, snacks, more paddles, and can carry almost anything. Except for your doubles partner that's 3.5 at best.
To pre-order this bag,
At a sweet discount,
back this campaign. With your support, we kick off production to bring our ADV Pickleball bag to life. Thanks.